the product red iPhone 13. This retails for $800. If you do opt for the mini, you do save $100, but you end up losing about 2 hours of battery life, and that's about it. Really no other features that you'd be really missing out on. And wowzers, that is deep red. This looks fantastic. Holy cow. This almost looks like blood red, like vampire red. This is super deep. The aluminum looks stunning. The back looks really, really good. If it was a little brighter, it would honestly look like my favorite red of all time. But yeah, this looks super good. Wow. All right, let's see what's in here. We do get a little product red little thing here, which says this time around, in partnership with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of your purchase to the Global Fund to support HIV/AIDS and help deliver an AIDS-free generation. We have a SIM eject tool, Apple sticker. It would be super cool if we got a red Apple sticker as well. That would be very nice. And of course, just lightning to USB-C. So nothing special in the box, but you do get that little product red pamphlet, and you get a little product red logo marking right here at the bottom of the phone, which also looks very nice, very tasteful, and it's kind of silver. So here at the bottom, let's go ahead and show you here up close a little bit so you can see with the ports there and all the details here with that red coating. It just looks really, really, really good. The lenses are of course also coated here around the edges with that red, and it looks fantastic. If you like red, this is probably gonna be your direct choice to get because it just looks really, really good. All right, so let's go ahead and turn on my other camera here so you guys can see here from a distance how the color looks, and you can see, wow, it pops so much. I can see it in the camera, especially against this blue background, but it pops from a distance. This attracts attention. It looks super cool though. The border around the phone here, around the screen, looks really, really cool from the front. That looks fantastic. You can see it there in the different kind of lighting, reflecting. This is a great choice as well. So far we're doing super good. We unboxed the Starlight, that was fantastic. Now the product red, and this is also fantastic. Now from a distance, let's see how it looks while texting. How it looks while talking on the phone here. How does it look? What do you think? Out of 10. I think it's a 10 out of 10. Maybe a 9.5 out of 10. Because I think the iPhone 8 red is still my favorite. I think that was it. But it also has to do with the aluminum, because the aluminum here looks fantastic on the edge of this red too. So this is just a really great red color. Now let's go ahead and put some cases on so that you can see this and get a closer look at this color. You can see it here. Here we have a MagSafe case. That's not from Apple, but it's close enough for now so that you can see how this would look. Super cool. That white on red looks very, very cool. And let's see here. What else do we got? What else do we got? A pink case just to see what happens? I don't know. Interesting for sure. Of course, black on red. You can't go wrong with that. Some sort of Black Widow vibes, SpiderMan vibes. Actually, it looks a lot like SpiderMan right here. This looks like a SpiderMan themed phone. And let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, you know, one thing I forgot to show in the last video, I just remembered the MagSafe battery here on the back of it. And then the MagSafe battery on the, or the MagSafe wallet on the back of this, in case you're interested in that. You can see that. Let's see, now let's do one more case here. Let's do this one right here. Also kind of just, is this the same one I put on? This is a different one. Has some gray outline here as well. Yeah, very cool. This is a very cool color. I mean, honestly, like just straight up, if you like red, just basically go get this one because it's a fantastic red color. It just looks super good. It is showing the smudges quite a bit compared to all the other ones we've tried. You can kind of see that there. So this isn't going to stay super clean. You could put some sort of matte, not screen protector, but matte skin on it or something. Or just a case, but obviously it's glass, very easy to clean, super simple, super quick to clean. That's not a big issue, but worth noting, you are going to see the smudging quite a bit, possibly just due to how deep red it is. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.